for coming back to my channel. This is Ursula, the mom of the Fab Five, and of course this is Fab Five Crafts. So today I have a DIY for you guys. I have a 4-tier rotating tray to show you guys, as well as two other.
That's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system. It's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe.
Hey guys, so this is the supplies. You're gonna need a rotating device. You're gonna need some foam brushes, 6 napkin rings, the pop burners, but you're gonna need the smaller ones, some silver spray paint, and some elephant, some white, and some burnt umber. So I'm going to take all of my pans and the rotating device as well as the plate, and I'm going to spray paint them as well as the candle holders silver. Alright, since they're all silver, I'm going to flip it over the rotating device so I can have it stand on something so it can rotate better. So I lifted it up a little bit, just a tiny bit. So I put these 6 rings, put 4 rings of the 6. I put them on there, just 1 at the end, 2 at the end, and 2 at the other end. Then I take my candle holder and I place it in the middle of the rotating device. Then I take the plate, the microwave plate, and I had a little mishap right here. I decided to put the glue epoxy on the microwave plate, but then I thought, nah, it needs to go on the candle holder. I see the candle holder's a little bit damaged, but that's okay because you won't be able to see it. Put that on real nice and thick. Put the plate on there. And I did that for both microwave plates. Then I took the last candle holder and I put some epoxy on the bottom. And then I take the tin burn cover and put it on top. So you have 4 tiers. I started spray painting this, and I didn't know I wasn't recording. But I took the elephant, the white, the black, and some burnt umber, and I just mixed them together with the sponge. And I just kept sponging it until I got the desired look. And this is my finished look. I'm going to take this candy dish from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to spray paint the top pink. And then I'm going to take these fortune cookies from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to put them in there. It comes 10 in a pack. Only 8 will fit, so I just mix the colors up really well into the jar. And as many as I can get in there was 8. I then decided on which ribbon I want to do because the top looked really plain. So I just did a regular shoelace bow. And I tied it, cut it, and I hot glued it on the tin of the can. I had a little difficulty with it, but it came together just fine. So then I take the other ribbon, and it's satin with the hearts and arrows on it from Dollar Tree. And I make a shoelace bow, and I hot glue that right in the middle of the buffalo check ribbon. There it is. This is the final product. Look how beautiful it looks with my decor. Okay, for DIY number 3, DI. So you're going to use this ribbon. You're going to tape this, take the blue masking tape, and you're going to put it around the candle evenly. Tape that down, and you're going to do this to both candles. So I'm going to make sure both of these are so even. Try to get them as even as possible. So what you do is stand these side by side and then wrap it around so you can get it even. The next thing I'm going to do is take my pink Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to paint 2 coats of pink Waverly chalk paint on it at the bottom. So now that the candles are dry, I am going to take this ribbon right here that I got from Dollar General, and I'm going to wrap it around the candle, and I'm going to hot glue it to the back. And you know, it doesn't matter front, back, but this is where I hot glue it, and it's going to be the back. And this is it. This is the last reveal. Hope you guys love it. So, I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked all 3 DIYs. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, guys. I hope you love this DIY. Peace, love, and
blessings
to you all. Have a good day.